In a world where digital is king, finding the right strategy for your online business is key. Forget about spending 2 hours crafting the perfect reel only for it to flop. Embrace simple content that doesn't take hours to create. Don't get lost in the sea of AI-written captions. Instead, let your heart do the talking. Confused messaging that took forever to drum up? We say no more. Align messaging that feels easy to write is what you need. And all of this is possible simply by mastering your offer and messaging strategy. This will transform you from someone who's merely surviving to someone who's passionately thriving in their business. Yes, it takes effort, but this effort aligns you towards a clear path of creativity and success. And this is where I come in. Offering and messaging refinement is my specialty. I can show you how to turn your content into cash every single time you post without feeling salesy. So, want to learn more about this? Comment Insta Sales. And don't forget to follow Digital Wealth Way for more tips. Remember, your path to success is just a click away.